You're watching Twin Buds. Hi everyone, you're watching Twin Buds. Today we'll show you how to prepare sweet corn soup. For this recipe we will need sweet corn. I have used 1.5 sweet corn. Around 70% of it I have separated for grinding. Another 30% I have here for the soup. Chopped beans, finely chopped carrot, some finely chopped green onions, 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon cornstarch, water around 400 ml, 2 eggs. We only need egg whites, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon vinegar. 20% of this sweet corn that we had, we can grind this using some water into a coarse paste. I prefer to grind it in a coarse paste. If you like your soup to be very smooth, you and run it through a strainer to get a smooth soup. We can now add water into a deep bottom pan and bring it to boil. Then pour contents from the blender and boil it. We can add some water into the blender and rinse it and pour it into the soup. Cook it in a medium flame. When the water becomes slightly hot, start adding the sweet corn and allow it to cook. At this point we can remove the foam on the top of the white layer from the soup and discard it. When the soup looks clear, we can add carrot and cook the carrots for a minute. Now add chopped beans and quickly cook it for a minute. Cooking it quickly retains the color. Now add sugar, add salt. Now add white pepper powder, vinegar and mix well. Then prepare the cornstarch with some water. Add around 2 tablespoon water and mix well. Make it into a slurry. And pour them little by little. After adding the cornstarch, we can boil the soup for 1 or 2 minutes for the cornstarch to cook properly. You can skip the egg whites and butter to have a vegetarian and vegan soup. You can now separate 2 egg whites and beat them lightly directly into the soup from a height while simultaneously mixing them. Now turn off the flame. Now the eggs will get cooked in the hot soup. Then add butter. Then add some green onions. American sweet corn soup is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.